The self-inductance of a solenoid of 600 turns is 108 millihenry. The self-inductance of a coil having 500 turns with the same length, same radius and same medium will be what? Okay, self-inductance क्या होता है? Self-inductance is if I change current in this coil, say मैंने यहाँ पे एक टैपिंग की लगा दिया है. टैपिंग की क्या होता है, जब आप टैपिंग की को प्रेस करते हो तो जब तक वो कंप्लीटली प्रेस नहीं होता करंट स्लाइटली इंक्रीज करता है, उसके बाद स्टेडी वैल्यू हो जाता है. तो फॉर एग्जांपल 0 to 4 एम्पियर करंट राइज किया जब आपने टैपिंग की प्रेस किया, तो उतना ड्यूरेशन में जब करंट राइज हो रहा था फ्लक्स through this coil is also increasing. Flux increase होने से there is induced EMF produced in this coil. This is self-inductance. What is self-inductance? When there is induced EMF because of the change in current in the coil. That is self-inductance. तो हमने इसका derivation कैसे किया था? The flux through the coil is directly proportional to the current in this coil at any instant. Current is say I1, so flux is directly proportional to I1. Now to remove sign of proportionality, I introduce constant which is called coefficient of self-inductance. So flux is Li. ये फॉर्मूला है. अब यहाँ पे जो फॉर्मूला यूज करना है वो मैं सोलेनॉइड के लिए यूज करना है. फॉर्मूला मैं आपको डायरेक्ट बता देती हूँ, बट इन केस यू डोंट रिमेंबर द फॉर्मूला, लेट मी क्विकली गिव यू अ क्विक रिकैप कैसे हम डिराइव करते हैं सोलेनॉइड के लिए. सोलेनॉइड के केस में हम वी अज्यूम that the length is much greater than the radius. Okay, the flux through each turn will be B into A, BA cos 0, so B into A. What is the magnetic field linked with the solenoid? Mu naught Ni into area. अच्छा, ये तो हुआ each turn. What is the flux? Total flux मतलब आप total number of turns से multiply कर दो mu naught Nia into total number of turns. अच्छा, what is small n? पहले मैं आपको small n बता देती हूँ. What is small n? Small n is number of turns per unit length. Number of turns per unit length. So I can write it capital N by L is small n. Okay, तो number of turns को मैं कह सकती हूँ small n into L. Total number of turns is small n into L. So n into L. So your formula becomes mu naught n square IAL. This is flux. Now flux is also equal to Li. Flux is also equal to Li. So equating we get the formula of L from here, mu naught n square AL. This is the formula for self-inductance of a solenoid. I'm deleting all this. So L is mu naught n square AL. This is the formula of self-inductance of a solenoid. You can write it in a different form. जैसे अगर मैं small n को replace कर दूं capital N by L से. So you get this formula mu naught n square A upon L. This is the formula for the self-inductance. This is the formula for the self-inductance. Now look at the question. The self-inductance of a solenoid is 600 turns. हमें self-inductance निकालना है दूसरे केस में, तो हमें रेशियो लेना होगा L1 by L2. आप देखो म्यू नॉट दोनों केसेस में सेम है क्योंकि बोला मीडियम सेम है. जब हम रेशियो लेंगे म्यू नॉट विल बी कट. Radius is same, so area will be same. Length is same, so this will also be cut. तो आप देख रहे हो L यहाँ इस केस में directly proportional to capital N square है. So put the values here, N1 square upon N2 square. So L1 is 108 millihenry upon L2. N1 square 600 into 600 upon L2 is N2 is 500 into 500. So you get ये 6 into 6 36, 36 into 3 होता है 108. So L2 is equal to 25 into 3 75 millihenry. This is your answer.